All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Tuesday, July 14th, 2020. A very interesting setup this morning. Pre-market trading doesn't start for about 45 minutes. So let's talk about this. Right now, stock futures are about flat. Okay, the dollar is under a little bit of pressure, and the 10-year yield has dropped 0.61. Okay, what else is going on here? Cryptocurrencies are flat to under a little bit of pressure. Silver's under a little pressure. Gold is under a little bit of pressure. And crude oil is down again, about 1.4%. So what's the story here? I would not be surprised to see this market fall under a little pressure early and maybe get bid higher later on. Let's see. I mean, to me, a lot of this, and forget about earnings, okay? I know earnings season just started. JP Morgan is up. Wells Fargo's down. Okay, whatever. To me, it's about the promise of more easy money, which we're probably going to hear about today. Because, look, whenever there's discord in the market, they start floating, Fed presidents out, talking about more easy money. That's all the market cares about. That's it. Nothing else matters. Again, they could split the earth in half and stocks will probably go up. But they gotta prop up crude. Crude oil is a big, big, big factor in this market moving up. If they want this market to move higher, sure, easy money, absolutely, massively important, but they got to prop up crude too. So we need to keep our eye on crude oil and obviously the 10-year yield. But today, let's look at that. I mean, you got the dollar here, instead of a knee-jerk into the dollar, which would give us a warning that maybe stocks are going to drop here. It's not. The dollar is under a little pressure here, despite the fact that the 10-year yield is down. So it's kind of a weird environment we are in now. We're going to see how this plays out throughout the day. But look, we know what's happening here. We have an environment where the mega investment banks are buying the market. They have an unlimited supply of capital directly from the Fed. That alone is massively stock market positive. So, and the Fed itself, they're buying stocks. I mean, everyone knows it's true. They have a freaking trading desk. They're rigging the debt market to the highest order. Who would want to hold a unit of debt here? You've got to be insane when we just had a string of record highs with regard to the NASDAQ. Let me explain this to you. If this market drops today, let's just say the market peels off 300, 400, 500 points. This would be beautiful in my view because the market is stupid and it needs to give some back. We all know that. Look, if you're a trader, if you follow my work, you know for a fact that nothing goes up in a straight line. And these pullbacks, every single one has proven to be bullish. Okay, so if look, I don't even know where this market's going to go today. It's a mixed bag this morning, gauging from all the things I just spoke about. But this market, without any doubt, needs to give some back. And I will jump in here with more Benjamin Franklins and buy the dip. I can promise you that. And if you subscribe to my newsletter, there is a link down here in the description of this video. You will know exactly what I'm buying. You will know exactly what I am doing from the moment I buy it to the moment I sell it and how I finesse these positions. Let me say that too real quick. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you already know this. But a lot of rookie traders out here, they think, hey, you know what, I'm going to buy a position and I'm just going to sit on it and I'm not going to do anything with it. No, that's not the way trading works, okay? You finesse those positions. Sometimes you have to add to them. Or sometimes you have to take a loss. As of yet, I haven't had a single loss with regard to a position I posted in my newsletter. That will not last. It's impossible for someone to have a 100% successful trading record It just can't happen. Although right now that's what I'm running after dozens and dozens of positions. But again, it's going to come to a point where I will suffer a loss. It's a mathematical certainty it will happen. All right, look. So let's cover this again real quick. Stock futures are flat. At least they were when I started this video. Dollar under a little bit of pressure. Dollar is not gaining despite the fact that the 10-year yield is dropping. So there's a mixed bag for you, okay? Cryptos are flat. Silver under a little bit of pressure. Gold about flat. Crude oil getting hit. That's negative. That's negative for the market. It's very simple. You know that. Anyway, let's see where this goes today. And I will keep all of you on top of it. I promise you. There's no doubt about it. And I'm going to urge you again, subscribe to my free newsletter and you'll get a lot of inside information here. And anything that I get passed on to me, and I do get information passed on to me, you're going to know about it. I can promise you that as well. All right, look, this guy here loves you a lot. Let's watch this. Please share this video. Get it out there. See you later.